Welcome to Simply Sigam's channel. What you're watching is fries, and that is my dish called a shawarma dish. So this is shawarma, and I put a lot of chili in. Why? Because I like it. This is tzatziki, and it is delicious. I like it. And that is pizza bread. It's not homemade. It's okay. It could have been better. It could have been homemade, but it's not. That's my wife. I don't know why she's filming herself, but she does. She also likes chili, a lot of chili. And you can actually see how much she likes to eat because she gained a little weight. And that's the way that is. Stuffing her face with fries again and again. Look at her. Oh, it is yummy. She like it. She enjoy it. Yes, one more. You cannot see. She cannot help herself. She don't want to stop. And this is my Coke she stole from me. So I will like drinks later. Yeah, you see that little smirky? Oh, I know I steal it, but I do it anyway. Oh, okay. Not that she doesn't got her own drink, but the phone is standing against her drink. Like it's a tactic, a way for her to steal my drinks. She always does it. This is a shawarma sandwich, and it is yummy. It is shawarma, lettuce, tomato, of course, some dressing. And you will put chili on it if you like it, and it is delicious. This is the best place so far in Denmark. It comes with, it's in Roskilde. That's a town where there's also the famous festival. And the shawarma is, yeah, you can see, thumbs up, it's good. It's enjoyable, it's yummy, it's delicious. Bye bye.